This is for all you cat lovers out there. I was just sent this cat garden statue. He's got a solar LED bulb that he holds. It looks super cute. So we're gonna look at him and check him out. Sent with a little packet here. Isn't that cute? He is made of resin. He's waterproof, and this is a little solar LED bulb. And then he's got his little solar light right here. We're gonna go put him outside, charge him up throughout the day, and then we're gonna check him out tonight. I'm gonna put my little cat out here in my little berm. He is about a little over 8 inches tall, and he's just gray with this little resin. And all you have to do is just push this button back in the back, and we will turn him on, and then it will charge up during the day, and then his little ball will glow at night. But it is a cute little kitty cat. It'd be a great gift for somebody. We will come back out and check him out tonight. So my little cat is looking real cute here with his little solar ball. It was a really cloudy day today, and he's still lit up and looks great.